सिंपल इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। मैं बहुत व्यस्त हूँ। आई एम वेरी बिजी। आई एम वेरी बिजी। चलो अब शुरू करते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ। लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ। मुझे कल कॉल करना। कॉल मी टुमारो। कॉल मी टुमारो। बाहर बारिश हो रही है। इट्स रेनिंग आउटसाइड। इट्स रेनिंग आउटसाइड। तुम्हारी समस्या क्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? तुम कहाँ गए थे? Where did you go? Where did you go? मैं तुम्हें सुन नहीं सकता। I can't hear you. I can't hear you. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मुझे थोड़ा आराम चाहिए। I need some rest. I need some rest. ये तुम्हारे लिए है। This is for you. This is for you. क्या तुम उसे जानते हो? Do you know him? Do you know him? मुझे सच बताओ। Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. देर मत करना। Don't be late. Don't be late. मैं तुम्हें फोन करूँगा। I will call you. I will call you. रुकना मत, बढ़ते रहो। Don't stop, keep moving. Don't stop, keep moving. बड़ी सोच रखो। Think big. Think big. सपनों को हकीकत बनाओ। Turn dreams into reality. Turn dreams into reality. हमेशा सीखते रहो। Always keep learning. Always keep learning. मैं थका हुआ हूँ। I am tired. I am tired. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। Let's move on. Let's move on. जल्दी यहाँ आओ। Come here quickly. Come here quickly. मैं तुमसे सहमत हूँ। I agree with you. I agree with you. क्या ये तुम्हारा है? Is this yours? Is this yours? चलो शुरू करते हैं। Let's begin. Let's begin. मैं आ रहा हूँ। I am coming. I am coming. चलो यहाँ बैठते हैं। Let's sit here. Let's sit here. मुझे ठंड लग रही है। I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. समय क्या हुआ है? What's the time? What's the time? मुझे नहीं पता। I don't know. I don't know. तुम्हें क्या करना पसंद है? What do you like to do? What do you like to do? तुम आज कैसे हो? How are you today? How are you today? क्या तुम अंग्रेजी बोलते हो? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? तुम क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? तुम कहाँ से हो? Where are you from? Where are you from? तुम कितने साल के हो? How old are you? How old are you? पानी पियो. Drink water. Drink water. ध्यान से सुनो. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. अपना काम करो. Do your work. Do your work. उसे मत छुओ. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. दरवाजा बंद करो. Shut the door. Shut the door. मुझे मदद चाहिए. I need help. I need help. हाथ धो लो. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. टीवी चालू करो. Turn on the TV. Turn on the TV. हवा चल रही है. The wind is blowing. The wind is blowing. वो चल रहा है. He is walking. He is walking. मैं दोबारा नहीं पूछूंगा. I will not ask again. I will not ask again. भाग कर जाओ. Go by running. Go by running. मैं और नहीं चल सकता. I can't walk anymore. I can't walk anymore. ये बस कहाँ जा रही है? Where is this bus going? Where is this bus going? ट्रेन कब पहुँचेगी? When will the train arrive? When will the train arrive? अब तो मुझे जाना ही पड़ेगा. Now I will have to go. Now I will have to go. तुम अंदर कैसे आए? How did you come inside? How did you come inside? तुम्हें किसने अंदर आने दिया? Who let you come inside? Who let you come inside? मैं यूं गया यूं आया. I will be back in a flash. I will be back in a flash. मैं तुम्हारा गुलाम नहीं हूँ. I am not your slave. I am not your slave. आज मैं काम पर नहीं जाऊंगा. I will not go to work today. I will not go to work today. अपना काम खुद करो. Do your work by yourself. Do your work by yourself. क्या तुम उसे जानते हो? Do you know him? Do you know him? हाँ मैं उसे जानता हूँ. Yes, I know him. Yes, I know him. तुम उसे कैसे जानते हो? How do you know him? How do you know him? हम पड़ोसी थे. We were neighbors. We were neighbors. क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? कुछ खास नहीं. Nothing special. Nothing special. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? क्या वो काम करता है? Does he work? Does he work? जिंदगी ऐसे ही है. Such is life. Such is life. तुम क्यों हंस रहे हो? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? क्योंकि मैं खुश हूँ. Because I am happy. Because I am happy. इतवार को आना. Come on Sunday. Come on Sunday. तुम क्यों रो रहे हो? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? क्योंकि मैं उदास हूँ. Because I am sad. Because I am sad. रात से पहले आ जाओ. Come before night. Come before night. तुम कब जाओगे? When will you go? When will you go? मैं कल जाऊंगा. I will go tomorrow. I will go tomorrow. क्या तुम जाओगे? Will you go? Will you go? मैं एक टीचर हूँ. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? क्या तुम साथ चलोगे? Will you come along? Will you come along? वो मेरा करीबी दोस्त है. He is my close friend. He is my close friend. वो मेरा बचपन का दोस्त है. He is my childhood friend. He is my childhood friend. पहले भी तुमने झूठ बोला. You lied before too. You lied before too. वो मेरा जिगरी दोस्त है. He is my fast friend. He is my fast friend. मुझे ये पसंद है. I like it. I like it. हम रास्ते में मिले. We met on the way. We met on the way. तुम उसकी तरह हो. You are like him. You are like him. छुट्टी लेने का कोई फायदा नहीं. It's no use taking a day off. It's no use taking a day off. तुम दोनों एक जैसे हो. You both are alike. You both are alike. वो खुद रुक गया. He stopped himself. He stopped himself. क्या वहाँ कोई होगा? Will anyone be there? Will anyone be there? क्या तुम मुझे पागल समझते हो? Do you consider me mad? Do you consider me mad? कोई वहाँ होना चाहिए. Someone should be there. Someone should be there. इसे ठीक से पकड़ो. Hold this properly. Hold this properly. उसे परेशान मत करो. Don't bother him. Don't bother him. उसके पीछे मत पड़ जाना. Don't get after him. Don't get after him. उसने अपना वादा तोड़ दिया. He broke his promise. He broke his promise. मैं उससे बदला लेना चाहता हूँ. I want to avenge him. I want to avenge him. वो बहुत चिपकू है. He is so clingy. He is so clingy. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Follow for more.